Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar
华语语法战士。
In this video, we're going to talk about how to ask questions in Chinese. There are two common ways to ask questions in Chinese. One is by adding 吗 at the end of a sentence. Another way is by using the A not A structure. Let's look at how to use the A not A structure. The A not A structure is the most neutral way to ask questions in Chinese. It is very similar to yes-no questions in English. Positive and negative forms of verbs are used in the A not A structure to form selective questions such as will he eat it or not?
吃不吃?
So, what exactly is A in this structure? A is a verb or action that is being referred to in a selective question. For example,
小可喝牛奶.
小可 drinks milk. In an A not A question, it becomes
小可喝不喝牛奶?
Does 小可 drink milk or not? Here is another example.
他看电影.
He watches movies. In an A not A structure, it becomes
他看不看电影?
Does he watch movies or not? In most cases, ma and the A not A structure can be used interchangeably to ask questions. In general, adverbs such as
常常
often cannot appear before A not A questions. If the adverb
常常
is used in a sentence, then only
吗
is used to form questions. When the verb in an A not A question consists of two syllables, such as
喜欢
like, the second syllable in the first verb can be omitted. Therefore, the pattern
喜欢不喜欢
is the same as
喜不喜欢
For example,
你中午睡觉不睡觉
is the same as
你中午睡不睡觉
Do you take a nap at noon? When A not A is used to ask questions, it means that instead of making assumptions, a speaker is trying to make natural inquiries.
请问他是不是你的朋友
Excuse me, is he your friend? In this example, since the A not A form is already a way to ask questions, the question particle
吗
is not required at the end of the sentence. Here is another example.
你明天打不打棒球
Are you going to play baseball tomorrow? Great! Now you have learned how to ask questions using the A not A structure. See you at the next lesson.